Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, we are unboxing of gaming laptop Alienware. It just arrived today. Okay, let's unboxing now. So heavy. It's a rip. It's the damage here. And there. Other box. There we go. There is Alienware.
Dell bought Alienware.
There is 16 inches.
Cryotech for cooling.
M16. There is M16. Ta-da! There you go. Look at this. Look at that. Nice.
Whoa, it's an Alienware?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me see. Oh, that's not fancy. Okay,
It's so
check this out
fancy.
first.
Okay, that.
It's not really that fancy.
There you go. The
So what
brick.
you got?
Power.
Give it to me.
Was so
Oh
big.
my God.
So heavy.
My goodness. This is the brick power adapter. There is
Okay, power cord.
power cord. Here you go. Here's the sticker. Alien logo.
I want an Alienware logo.
There it is.
Here it is. Does that glow?
Wow, look at that.
Okay. So at the back, you can see it has like two USB-Cs, a USB, HDMI, whatever that is.
That's a
That's a
memory card.
that's
It's
power.
the card.
That's power.
Yeah.
There's nothing on the side.
Okay, open.
Oh, wait a second. Right here. See on each side?
Yeah, that's right.
On the other side?
Use.
Nope.
Pretty nice, RJ.
Yep. Oh, wait, there's something on the side here.
Yep.
There's a USB and headphone jack. And that T-shaped thing.
The internet
Okay.
connection.
Ready? Here we go.
Ta-ra!
Whoa! What is the point of this? These are
That's
speakers.
the vent. Maybe
vent.
speaker.
Bro, they didn't. Why did they make it so big?
The NVIDIA card, it takes a lot of power, generates a lot of
It
power.
is nice.
You
Look
could
at
have put
that.
a lot of keys here. It looks.
An Intel Core.
Look at the camera.
i7.
Is it shut?
i7. Slowly.
The camera. Does it
No,
still
no.
slide?
No, it does not slide.
I thought it was going to get standard.
Here it is.
What's this?
That's the model number.
Look at that.
Put it down. Put it down.
Wait. There it is.
Okay, open it up again.
Be proper.
Here we go. Like this is gonna be like the first time.
Try powering up without. With
This is unused. Okay, and then this looks nice. There's so much stuff that they could put in here.
Here's the vent.
I feel like they could put a lot of stuff here.
Other vent.
So much for
Here's the
i7.
vent.
So many vents. It says Intel Core i7 there.
Yep.
Okay, let's see if it works.
Whoa,
Oh my god!
look at
Oh my god, it can do
that.
that? This is the best computer I've ever seen in my whole life.
This is the first time. Look, hold. I like the color.
There you go. Hold it.
Okay, enough. Ooh, there is power up.
I did it.
Look at the.
I made the computer work.
Look at that, RJ.
Alienware. You went from a Dell to an Alienware.
Yeah,
I already have an Alienware.
Dell
the
owns it.
same
They bought
company.
Yeah,
Dell.
but still, Dell.
Alienware is part of Dell now.
Yep.
PS5 has faster loader times,
Ooh, look at that, RJ.
Oh, this
and that lost all of its spirit. Look at this. That keyboard.
This mommy brand new editor.
This is not an editor.
play
This
games
is
too.
this is a literal gaming PC.
Look at
The family
that.
PC.
Ooh, look at the back,
Look at
RJ.
this. I knew this was gonna light up, but I didn't know this was gonna light up. Only if they made this light up. If they made this light up, it'd just be crazy.
So nice. Look at the back.
It's better than the gaming computer.
It's better. Nice. Have a alien logo. The sticker. And this.
What plugs in here?
The other end of that. The other end.
The other end. Oh,
Since in 1996, Alienware.
1996. Where now again? Where they get this from?
Warranty.
Area 51.
And this too.
This is a computer made from.
And this the instruction.
We didn't like it.
Power this.
No. Wanna put it
There we go.
this piece of
There's the dongle. What they call that dongle?
on the side.
That's USB. It's USB. Ah, it's shiny. The 1 terabyte storage and SSD.
Solid state drive.
No Microsoft Office license included. 30-day trial offer only. The color is dark metallic moon. Custom configuration.
English.
Espanol.
Espanol. Espanol.
Espanol.
Yes.
Or Espanol. Just kidding. Is this the
Ooh.
right? Yeah,
United States. Number 1, are you? Why you are scrolling so much?
Is this the right keyboard layout? Yeah. This? That good? Is this
Yeah.
good? Okay. English, India. You want to add a second? No. No, skip.
Yes.
This is-
Connecting the Wi-Fi.
I like this better than the gaming computer. This is mine now. Oh, look at it. This is
Hey,
the
good thing.
downstairs Fortnite.
No, sir. Not for gaming, this RJ. Only for editing for me, RJ.
Once you get all that done, we could try gaming just because.
Oh yeah, and then I can play with
We
mom.
should try it.
Cause it.
Ooh, there is the light, RJ.
Oh, Fortnite doesn't work on my computer.
Yeah, because it's not gaming.
Not on
computer.
mine, but
There is Alienware.
Almost there. Oh, there you go.
There is.
Windows 11.
The heck up.
I hate it.
We made it. There is.
I picked Guardio installed.
We do a power down and do a power
We
up.
power
Just push that.
shut down. Shut down and if
Yeah,
start.
shut down.
Shut down.
It's how long it takes. Shut down.
You push the
Here is
alien.
turn on. This the alien logo.
Yeah, and then it does that rainbow thing.
There is Alienware.
Moved it pretty quick.
We made it.
Look at that
Oh, there
background.
is.
That's a weird background.
This?
I have the light one. Wait, this?
Too bright.
No, this.
It's ugly.
This one?
Yeah.
Minus it.
There is.
I like that.
No, so bright. Go here, this. Yes, we download a Fortnite. A gameplay. Oh, see that rainbow? The low battery right away. Iris is still downloading the Fortnite. It's 57%.
57?
Yep.